Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. How are you? What's going on? Oh, you asked me how my day is? My day is going really, really well. It's going really, really well. G and I are out here. G and I are definitely out here. And this guy is out here. This guy apparently wants some revenge from the last time we've met. Although he did not have this weapon with him, we will be seeing what's going down today. There he is right there. We got Super H2 in the building. We got Mustang Dane in the building. Let's go have some fun, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to see if this guy's going to be able to get his revenge. Stop this video right now. Drop your comments and see if my ZX10 will be able to take on that Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. Super H2. This thing is crazy fast. Yo, G, there's a lot of competition out here, man. How you feeling about it?
Feels good, man. Feels good.
Feels good? We got some H2s. Of course, we got S1000s. Those appear everywhere. Ib's 1100 factory. What you think about that?
I think we got him.
You got him?
We got him.
Got a Slim Thug in the building. Probably gonna destroy me later, but that's okay. It's all about fun. Today's lineup. I gotta get your Instagram later, bro.
Okay. I'll say if you get a picture of the bike, it's on the sign, so because a lot of people be like, "Yo, what is it?" And then later on they'll forget, so I just tell them to take a picture of it.
Got you. Ooh, look at this. Did you kind of go for a Deadpool theme with this? This is dope, man.
I like that too.
It's interesting. Yeah.
Clutch cover.
It's crazy. It's gray on one side, and then once you flip over, it's like a maroon metallic on the other. This is fire. Dope bike, man.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yep, so we're out here at State 8 Motorcycles. G's looking for some gloves. After that, we're gonna get the trip rolling, and we're probably gonna take a ride down to Pittsburgh, take some scenic views, and enjoy it. I've never been to Pittsburgh before, and it's the home of my Steelers, so I get to see Heinz Field. That's gonna be awesome. This is dope. Crazy lift kit on this. Whoa. It's dope.
For sure. Modified, and maybe you can take it there. Because you need something that can ride both of you guys. Oh no?
So we just get a bite to eat. We're at Ebe's favorite place, the Oven. This is the place where he always comes to in his videos and stuff like that. Pretty good food. They're buffalo chicken pizza. It's all right. It's all right. But yeah, we were having some fun, just over here talking with the guys and stuff like that. Everybody's really, really cool, man. Again, another successful bike meet. Everybody's cool. Everybody's vibing. Everybody's, you know, doing some knowledge transfer. And it's really, really cool, man. We're about to head down to Pittsburgh in a second, and then we'll probably wrap up the trip and go to Cleveland too. So I'm killing two birds with one stone. Just finished a nice little ride from the Oven into this beautiful scenery of Pittsburgh. I've always wanted to come here. As I said to you guys previously, the Steelers have always been my favorite team, so it's actually dope to actually visit the city for the first time. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Take a look at the scenery, man.
The scenery is amazing, literally breathtaking.
My sister got that rollie, got that eyes on me. She mine, she bad, she a freak. Oh my, I'm so wild, I can't see. Blame it on this sauce and my sister. She likes it, can't fight it. Caught a wave and dived it. She dived it. Your heart isn't priceless, ain't priceless. Never do the right shit, ain't righteous. Yeah. All these thoughts in my head. Which one of you haters only wants me dead? I fall down, I stand up time. Only fear God, cause we all bleed red. She got a brand new body and a brand new body. It's a big body Benz and she beam like Scotty. She run like Bobby when her rains it pours. New edition pussy need that on tour. Ain't no ceiling, can't catch no feelings. They hate I'm living this love, I'm giving my team.
Shuffling your ass off riding mine after being on one of these.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Ebe, you got your revenge, bro.
Yes, sir.
Did you predict that outcome?
I did. I had to see.
Oh man!
That's that you won't see.
Appreciate the rematch, brother. Fast bike, fast bike. Where is it?
Thank you.
Yeah, he got me. He got me. He got me. Sorry, guys. Up top, he pulled. All good though. He has 208 to the wheel. I have just under 190, so I did pretty good for what I got. But I will be back. I will be back. You can believe that. What is up, guys? So we traveled all the way to Cleveland skyline. Eve is out here showing us around right behind Cleveland Stadium where the Cleveland Indians play. This is pretty dope. Got all the bikes lined up out here. Awesome trip, man. Again, awesome trip. I may pass by the Quicken Loans Arena where LeBron James used to play. That'd be pretty awesome. Pretty quiet area. Pretty dope though. Probably will be our last stop before we head back to the hotel, because I'm running on like 4 hours of sleep, something like that. And we've been riding these bikes in this hot sun all day. Take a shower and pass out soon, but I definitely want to give you guys this dope footage. Before I continue, I definitely want to give a shout out to NJ Riders, shout out to my guy NJ Riders, and also shout out to my guy Anthony at Full Moto. He gave me, he actually put my chain and sprocket on last minute before I actually did this trip. So Ant, appreciate you for what you do for the channel. Definitely gonna have him do some more stuff to the bike. Cool dude, does great work. So yeah, a couple more pictures in Cleveland, and then we're gonna head back out. And if you haven't, subscribe to the channel. If you're a subscriber, please tap that bell. You get notified when new content is uploaded. It'll be frequent. You're not get hit by a car. But yes, guys, we got some more stuff coming up. I think I'm gonna have another track there as well too. I'm gonna try to get to Summit Point. But yeah, we still got a lot of stuff to come your way. So we're gonna go ahead into downtown Cleveland, take some more pictures. So I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up today. We had an awesome day. We're still with 650ib's out here, still on that 1100 factory monster. We've been riding around all day. We are tired as hell. You had fun, G?
Yeah, we rode almost like 500 miles today.
Yeah, we did.
The whole body is like, working now.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
But it was a really good day.
Absolutely, man. Eve showed us nothing but hospitality. Supposed to be another meet in Albuquerque?
Yeah.
Alabama. It's going to be in Alabama. Not sure if we'll make that, but we'll see how it goes. But guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're a subscriber, please tap that bell. Get notified when new content is uploaded. We still got tons of things happening. We also have a new bike reveal too that we haven't done.
Yeah.
That we just gonna have to get to you guys too. So look out for that, guys. And we'll see you soon, guys. Take it easy. Peace out.